Hello. Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you best VPN for Indian servers. So let's get started. Today, we're diving into something incredibly important for your online privacy and security: VPNs, or virtual private networks. Whether you're streaming content, accessing region restricted websites, or just keeping your data safe, a VPN is a must tool. And if you are in India, there are some specific things you need to know. Let's break down the best VPNs for India in 2024 that are fast, secure, and easy to use. So I'm going to show you today ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. Anyways, as you can see here, I'm currently not in India. This is what's my IP address. And if you want to know your IP address at the moment, just go to what's my IP address and you'll see the result. And currently, I am not in India. Now, as you can see, if I go to such specific website like Netflix and search for Indian movies, of course, you need to log in and get started here with Netflix. If I search for Indian movies, then there are two things I can see as a result. It could be no Indian movies or just a few Indian movies. So why is it important in India to have VPN or to use VPN? So VPNs have become increasingly important in India for several key reasons. With the rise in digital surveillance, data restrictions, and cybersecurity concerns, here's why using a VPN is crucial for users in India: bypassing internet censorship and restrictions, enhancing online privacy, protecting personal data on public Wi-Fi, and access to global streaming services. And as you can see, if I want to watch movie in Hotstar, I cannot watch because access denied. And Hotstar is one of the most famous streaming platforms or movie platforms in India. So how are we going to have access to this? How can we watch or open Hotstar India and watch Indian movies here on Netflix? See that? So yes, today I'm going to introduce to you this VPNs. And if you want to avail this VPNs, just kind of check in the description down below for links to reviews and special discounts on these VPNs. So let's start with ExpressVPN. Okay, so ExpressVPN is an excellent choice for anyone seeking fast, reliable, and secure internet access in India. The ability to bypass restrictions making it particularly useful in a country like India, where internet freedom can be limited. So here are some key benefits of using ExpressVPN in India. Number one, bypass censorship and block content. Number two, fast streaming and gaming. Number three, protecting privacy and security. Number four, safe public Wi-Fi usage. Number five, avoid ISP throttling. Number six, multiple devices protection. And number seven, user-friendly application. So go and sign up, visit the Access VPN website, download the application, connect to a server, browse securely. Next we have here is NordVPN. So choosing NordVPN in India is a smart decision for those prioritizing security, privacy, and performance. So here's why it stands out for users in India. One, top-notch security features. Number two, bypassing censorship and geo restrictions. Number three, no logs policy and privacy. Four, protection in public Wi-Fi. Five, fast and stable connections and advanced security features. And personally, I highly recommend NordVPN for India due to its combination of strong privacy features, high-speed servers, and ability to bypass internet restrictions. Again, if you want to avail this and get some discounts, just check in the description down below. Number three, we have Surfshark. Okay, so choosing Surfshark India is an excellent option due to its strong privacy features, affordability, and unlimited device connections. Here are the reasons why you should choose Surfshark as a smart VPN for users in India. Number one, unbeatable privacy and security. No logs policy. Number two, bypass censorship and geo restrictions. Access block content. Number three, fast and reliable speeds. Number four, unlimited devices. Five, affordable pricing. And like NordVPN, it also has advanced features such as kill switch. Now this time I'm going to show you this one. I cannot search for any Indian movies and I can't have access to this Hotstar movie platform. Now I'm going to use a NordVPN and I'm going to connect to one of the servers in India. It's so easy. You just have to look for India here and then tap and then connect. So of course you must have or create an account in NordVPN, download, install, create an account, and then connect to the server. And I'm going to refresh until my VPN address is in India. So let me refresh this. And as you can see, I'm currently in Mumbai. I will go back to Hotstar and see if I can have access to this. So let me refresh because I am not connected to Mumbai, India, thanks to NordVPN. And as you can see here, I can now watch movies using Hotstar. So again, as you can see, I can now browse and watch movies in this platform. Another is Netflix. So I am now connected to Mumbai, India. Let me refresh and look for Indian movies if I can see Indian movies now. And as you can see here, I can now watch Indian movies. Thanks again to NordVPN. Using a VPN in India is essential for protecting your privacy, bypassing censorship, accessing geo-restricted content, and ensuring a safe online experience. Whether you're concerned about online privacy, want to access global content, or protect yourself from a cyber threats, a VPN is a must-have tool for internet users in India. So I hope this video helped you. See you again in our next video tutorials.